San Marco 2 group again. Just took the side off the boiler. Bolts were rusty on the element, and I'm just going to show you the boiler. The customer told me that this machine was apparently serviced last year, and we're just coming around to the boiler now. And oh my god, scale, and that's a lot of scale. It's crumbly scale, luckily, but scale all the same. Lots of it. Lots and lots and lots. So it looks like it's never been descaled, in all honesty. There's some serious scale in there. Don't know what the flasks are like yet. I'll have to have a look at those later. But gonna take some serious work. Serious work. So I better get on, and I'll catch up with you later and let you know how I get on. See where the element's been sitting in the scale. Oh dear. That's crazy, this. You can actually see where the element's been sitting. Mad. There's a nice old chunk.